We're here at Bedford CNC. Now, this is a micro business, and it's safe to say this company wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for DMG MORI's finance options.
What it's allowed us to do is have a peace of mind. We have got to get used to the machine, so when a new machine comes in, there's no pressure from day one. You've got 6 months to learn the machine, get the work in, and then generate your income before you even start paying for your first monthly payment.
Andy, you've not just got one DMG MORI here, you've got two. Now, what was happening to you then in 2019?
In 2019, I was disillusioned. I was fed up. It was down to the technology and the machines that we had here. They kept breaking down. They were not reliable. So something needed to change, but I didn't know.
And you went for a job though, didn't you?
I did, yes. I actually went for a job just before Christmas. Didn't get the job because they promoted from within, which I fully understand and the reasons why, but it gave me the kick that I needed to go and speak to people within the industry and get some guidance on what I could do to turn the company around.
So what did they say?
Basically, they said I need to get on top of technology, which then will make my deliveries and feel better and just move forward. But it's technology that you need to keep on top of.
So what did you do then? Because you've gone for cutting edge technology.
We just spoke to some people within the industry that I've known for many years that I knew that their guidance would be good for us, and they pointed us in the direction of cutting edge technology, but also DMG MORI.
And so what did DMG MORI say to you? Because, you know, you call yourself a micro business, which is less than 5 people here. Yeah. So, you know, these are great machines.
Their finance, speaking to DMG MORI, made it easy. They came and looked at our business, sent the local area rep in, Rob, and he spent about an hour and a half talking to us about our business, what we were doing, where we wanted to go and what we wanted to achieve. And he took it away and came back about a week or so later with 3 options.
So you went for the CMX
Yes.
800. So this is all based on the first purchase.
Yeah.
What were those options?
There were 2 5-axis machines and the CMX 800, but we don't do 5-axis at the moment. So we opted for the CMX 800, and then within that option was a package of finances. So there were several options of finance, and we looked at what one we wanted, and we opted for the 6th month, no payments for 6 months, so that we could get it in and then see how it performed, and it performed brilliantly.
So what were those options then? So you had the 6-month package.
Yes.
So you don't pay anything for 6 months.
No.
Then there was
a slow. There was you could either pay the full amount from day one or from month one, or the other option that we had was a low start. So the finance built up over a period of months till you paid the full amount.
And what did you go for?
We went for the 6 months. Yeah.
And so what's that done for your business?
It's just turned our business around. It's incredible.
Increased your turnover too, hasn't it?
Has increased the turnover, yeah, by about 30% in the first year. For the first one.
Bearing in mind, this is all during COVID as well.
Yeah.
So a very tumultuous time in industry.
Massive.
And you've just grown your business 30% by using the finance option, increasing your technology, and then fast forward
12 months.
Yeah. And then another machine arrives.
Yes.
So what happened here?
We've got an old technology machine, so we wanted to swap it out, and we went for the M1 because it's roughly the same footprint as what the old machine was. But yeah, fast forward, same options.
So technology-wise, it works with the CMX.
Technology-wise, we had this machine spec'd so that we can take programs from the CMX and put them on here, just a few little tweaks, and the program's good to go. Tooling is interchangeable. It's the same spindle speeds, it's the same probing. So yeah, so for us as a business, it made sense.
Yeah, it was fluid. And then the finance options again, because this is another key thing to you.
It is.
You say DMG MORI look at your business differently to others.
They do. They look at it going forward, and they look at your accounts and what you what you can achieve if you've got one of these machines on their finance package. And it worked for 12 months ago, so we've just gone and done it again.
So when you say they're looking forward, I kind of want to dive into this. You know, is it easy to get these options, to get this finance? And how are they tailoring it to suit you?
They're just tailoring it because they look at your accounts, and obviously they come in and they speak to you, and they get a feel of your business. So they know what the machines can achieve. And if it's just the way that they work. And we sent them accounts, we sent them all what we do. And James came back and said, these are the options that we can afford you. You know, we can afford to do, and it's just incredible.
I know you're very happy because it's been sitting here for 6 weeks now, this machine.
Yes.
And what's it done for you?
It's increased their turnover by 10% in 6 weeks. Yeah.
Look at that smile. And also, you went for the delayed payment option. So what's this done for you?
It's enabled us to get 3 months payments already with the work it's done. So we're ahead of the game.
Future plans?
A bigger unit.
Brilliant.
More machines, more DMG. Yeah.
So any words of wisdom to anyone, you know, you're a micro business, less than 5 people, 2 incredible machines in your machine shop. What would you say to anyone who's watching?
If you are struggling with technology and you really want to get cutting edge technology, have a word with DMG and their finance, because it's turned our business around. Say 2 years ago, I'd have walked away. But now I'm just, so happy. It's just, you can see, it's just, So if you are looking to get cutting edge technology, have a word with DMG, and I'm pretty sure that their finance will be suitable.